This is it. 90 is what they call it, the headquarters of MQM. All the activities of the party are being controlled from here. And I'm here to meet those people who manage the online presence of MQM. I'm here with Mr. Haider Abbas Rizvi, who is the Deputy Parliamentary Leader for Muttahida Qawmi Movement in the National Assembly, and he is also heading the communications and media management for the party. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
Coming directly to the point, what is MQM's online presence?
I believe we were the first party ever in Pakistan's history who's having a website. We are having our main website, mqm.org and mqm.com, since 1994. And we are having that website. And now since MQM has been all over the world, we are having different websites like MQM USA, MQM Canada, and MQM Belgium, MQM Arab Emirates, and different websites we are having. So we are present on the arena of cyber world since 1994.
There are party workers who are controlling their own individual websites.
That's right.
So how do you select the content for the website? What exactly is the process of selection and posting content on the web?
Any other news coming every day, we make sure that we post on our websites, number one. Otherwise, we have content managers with us back in the United States, UK, Pakistan. They look into the contents and they select the content to put on the websites.
So you have any party policy for this thing?
Why not? Sure.
And how is that defined?
Because like we, as you know, that we had differences with the People's Party in the last 20 years. So if you will find out the archives or website, you will find a number of articles and number of content which was against the different political parties. But since the scenario has been changed, now we are working on those content which will make, for example, Pakistan People's Party and MQM, that they are going together. So we are trying to have those content which won't go against the party policy at this time.
Okay. So one more important thing, because you mentioned that there are parties who are sometimes anti-MQM and sometimes there's propaganda by individuals or by other organizations which is going against your party. So do you respond to that?
But very limited basis. Like if somebody is really got very nasty and harsh, so we need to address that issue, otherwise we'll let it go.
It is the second largest party in Sindh and demonstrates its power throughout the region. Here I am at the Mukka Chowk, which is at the helm of the Muttahida Qawmi Movement's headquarters here in Karachi. In this episode, we take a look at the MQM's web presence and their strength online. Adnaan and Tariq walks us through the websites that belong to the MQM.
The ruling party of the metropolis city, the MQM is the power holder in the urban center of Sindh. This can be one of the reasons attributed to the Muttahida Qawmi Movement's heavy presence online. The MQM has utilized this strategy to good effect, with a major presence in the cyber world, leading them to focus on the intricate details of the websites. The homepage of the MQM is littered with information about the party's activities. Data on the Qaid Altaf Hussain is very well laid out, with a live stream of a Shabnama by the leader shown daily on the website. Other than this, there are videos, contact data, and a lot of other information for the party supporters. Not surprisingly, the MQM's UK website is very heavy on user content. Information regarding the UK chapter and the activities is up to date, and one can even sign up to support the party in the different districts of the country. With such a large following, the Muttahida Qawmi Movement even has an online presence in Canada. Press releases and other information regarding the party is neatly placed for anyone to read. Having a presence in the United States was then natural for the MQM. Their website is well presented to the online public, with contact information and different activities of their party members abroad updated regularly. Recently, the party's endorsement of a governorship candidate was highlighted on the US website. The MQM's Professional Research and Advisory Council is also present on the web, where they disseminate information regarding the party to the public. A list of the MQM's websites are also available, where netizens can find out anything regarding the Muttahida Qawmi Movement. The MQM has really employed the right strategy in terms of web presence. They have set up groups and pages on different social networking sites so that they can provide the necessary information to the internet-going community of the country. When you compare the MQM with the other parties in the country, one can see a major difference in strategy. While campaigning and word of mouth is a good way to spread the party's message, it is a new emerging media that the MQM has tapped into, ensuring its success in the cyber and the real world. Adnaan, Tariq, Dawn News.